In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off desktop notifications in Google Calendar. Now, managing notifications is crucial to maintaining focus and ensuring you're only disrupted when it's absolutely necessary. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google homepage. If you're logged in, you'll notice a grid icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to Google Apps. Click on this icon and a menu will drop down, revealing a variety of apps such as Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and of course, Calendar. Next, go ahead and click on Calendar. This will take you to your Google Calendar homepage. Now, this page might look like a maze of events, reminders, and tasks, but don't worry. We're going to cut through all that to get to what we need. Head over to the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there. This gear icon is where all your settings live, and it controls how your Google Calendar behaves for you. Click on it, and it will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, you're going to see a sidebar on the left. Here, you'll find various options under the General category. Scroll down until you find the option titled Notification Settings. This is where we're going to make the big change. In the notification settings, you'll see an option for desktop notifications. By default, this is usually set to On, meaning anytime there's an event, your computer can send you a small pop-up alert regardless of what you're doing. While this can be useful, it might not be necessary for everyone, especially if you find these pop-ups interrupting your workflow. So our task here is simple. Let's turn those off. Find the toggle or drop-down menu labeled Desktop Notifications and switch it to Off. That's it. You're done. Now your notifications will be a little less invasive. Let's just take a minute to run through what we've done. We started from Google, opened Calendar via Google Apps, navigated to Settings, and then turned off desktop notifications. With these settings adjusted, your calendar events won't interrupt you with pop-up notifications on your desktop, allowing you to focus better on your tasks. These small adjustments can have a big impact on your day-to-day productivity. And remember, if you ever miss the notifications or decide you want them back, you can always follow these steps again to turn them back on. Thank you for watching, and see you next time with more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Google tools.